Guys, welcome back. Don't need those. Welcome back to the house of who knows what Matt's doing. But I am going to improve this ice chest. So I've been having a problem with it, just like leaking ice. I don't know, leaking like cold air. So it doesn't hold ice very long. And it's only $100 from Walmart, but I have found some ways to fix it, so let's do those. So a couple major problems. Yes, I'm working on this in my house because it's too cold outside and I live alone and I can do what I want. But here is a couple problems with it. You can see here there's an air gap in there because the ice chest like eventually just bowed out. So I ordered a couple latches to put on here. You'll see that here in the video. But also the major, it's a little dirty, but the major next thing is I drilled a hole here. Supposedly there's like a little insulation in there, which I could see, but I think I'm gonna try to put more with some spray foam. But here, there's no insulation. You can see it's only like probably a ½ inch thick, so I'm gonna add insulation to this whole lid. I'm just gonna do a montage of pulling this lid off. Yeah, so I think they did foam it through there, but if I look in this hole, it doesn't appear to be much insulation, so let's add some. I got some spray foam here. I'll put the link in the description. I think it was about $5.50 from Lowe's, because fuck Home Depot. Well, I'm just going through drilling some holes. I can see some insulation in there, but there's not much. Time to add some spray foam. Oh yeah, there's not much in there at all. Now I'm gonna tape this trash bag over this because I don't care if this gets stuck to the foam. Alright, I got it covered. Now I'm gonna try to put some weights on it so it doesn't bow or like change shape. Alright, so now we just gotta wait, I don't know. Eight hours. I did get this gasket stuff. I'm gonna try to put it right here, but I highly doubt it's gonna stay very long. I don't think it's gonna stick. This is my life. All good, just ended up a little bit short. Alright guys, so one thing is do not put plastic over the foam because it needs air to dry. I pulled off the plastic and the foam was not dry, so don't put plastic over it. Second thing, I drilled some more holes in this because I want to add some foam. Just because I'm already doing it. I don't know if it's going to help, but I'm going to do it, so I'll show you. So I got one, couple there, all around, so see what happens. All right, so it seems like the sides are pretty well insulated because I'm just making a mess. I'm just gonna try to make this even now just because it's ugly. Alright, so I got most of it done. I'm just gonna hit the cracks one more time. Last coat. Alright guys, I'm gonna add a couple more clips because why not have 5? Couple extra in case I break. I have these little handles from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. I'm gonna put those right there. Alright, so I still have a gap there, which I'm going to have to figure out, and I still got to trim the foam off the top, but other than that, I'm done. So I won't bore you guys with the rest.